This chair is really broken. There's this whole area down here. We're gonna remove all this area, but we're gonna try to keep all of the braids intact so we can reuse these on another chair. And these we're going to take off and use for the legs. We do first is we cut off the, I don't know what those are, little clear white material holding the braiding around the top of the chair. We're gonna remove the arms too, this whole thing, and reuse all of this because once it's wet, it's really movable. So my husband has removed the arm, and we want to keep all this intact because we can reuse this. Put it in hot water, it expands. That's how we're gonna wrap the chair legs and fix the pieces. My husband took the wrapping over the part of the arm. We put it in hot water. It's going to become more flexible. It's gonna be a lot easier to work with. That's what it was before. So now it's out of the hot water. And we're probably gonna end up just removing all of the leg so we can fix it a lot better. But this is from the braided top area. See how easy it is to put on. And then we'll put a zip tie with some wood glue over the top of it, possibly some fishing line. But this is how it works. This is also a way to remove the wicker from the chair. Just spray it with water, let it sit for a while, and then it becomes a lot easier to work with. We're going to take this all off and rewrap it.